Hi everyone, and welcome to Homeidea channel. Today we're taking a virtual trip to Ubon Ratchathani, Thailand, to explore a stunning modern country house called Do House. This house is all about embracing nature and creating a space where family and community can connect. Do House is a modern interpretation of the traditional Thai courtyard house. It's designed to bring residents closer to nature and each other. The architect achieves this by creating a home that engages all the senses: sight, smell, touch, and sound. Unlike many city houses, Do House embraces its surroundings. The architect cleverly uses screens and facade openings to create different levels of privacy, allowing the family to connect with their neighbors while maintaining a sense of security. The central core of Do House is a double-height courtyard. This space is covered by a roof with strategically placed openings that allow dappled sunlight and rainwater to reach the plants below. The courtyard acts as a buffer zone, protecting the home from the elements while still providing a connection to nature. Imagine waking up in the morning and smelling the fresh dew on the leaves outside. Or feeling the gentle breeze wafting through the house. Do House is designed to allow you to experience these sensations throughout the day. The core court also serves as a social hub, connecting the different areas of the house. The study opens directly onto the court, allowing family members to connect while pursuing their individual activities. The kitchen offers a view of the swaying trees and the morning sun, creating a peaceful atmosphere for meal preparation. Dew House is a beautiful example of how architecture can connect us to nature, our community, and our loved ones. It's a simple yet sophisticated home that prioritizes peace, relaxation, and a connection to the natural world. Thanks for joining me on this exploration of Dew House. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more inspiring home tours. In the comments below, let me know what you think about this unique design. Would you like to live in a house that connects so closely with nature?